Hello and welcome to another Cyber Week deal. This is from Theme Forest. The deal is for ListingPro, the #1 WordPress directory and listing theme currently on the market. It's got a almost 5-star ratings, one of the highest rated WordPress directory theme ever made. 23,000 sales, currently on sale right now for $48, which is $21 off. If you're looking for a WordPress directory theme, look no further. This is the best one. It has all the features you will ever need to make a listing or a directory in any language for any category. It is being used by big corporations like Yellow Pages, dental.org, Lawyers Plus, and ListingPro theme takes only minutes to set up with WordPress. ListingPro has advanced search features and filtering features. You can even monetize your directory with different plans for free members, basic and professional members, and also has a form builder. And of course there will be rating system and inbox plus for members to talk or contact other members, and also advanced booking system for appointments if you have like a doctor directory or dentist or lawyer directory, and even have event management system for calendars and booking. And yes, it accepts payments as well. And restaurant directory has a menu feature, and there's just a lot more features. Go check it out, links below, and let's take a look at the demo. And again, set it up in minutes. One-click demo installation with the example content. Let's take a look at one right here, Lawyers Pro. We got a nice advertisement feature, and then browse attorneys by location, area of topic, and the WordPress blog itself. Now let's take a look at the wedding directory right here. Nice, clean, professional design, and each directory will be different because they will offer different services like photography, wedding locations. And now here's one for pet listing or pet directory, like top places for your pets, pet adoptions, maybe restaurant for pets. And here's one for restaurant. Very beautiful, clean design once again, with different features and rating styles that you can customize. And here's one for places, and yes, you can have this video background at the header right here. Very professional. And different location directory, very clean once again. You really have to check out this theme out for yourself. Really good. Links below. Thanks so much for viewing. For a limited time, get a $21 discount on ListingPro. Thanks for checking out this deal, and be sure to subscribe for more WordPress and internet marketing deals coming up. Thanks again, and happy blogging.